Mr. Hardeep Singh on Wednesday assumed the charge as Inspector General of the Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier. He succeeds Kuldeep Saini, who retired from the service after rendering 36 years of service. Hardeep Singh joined this frontier on promotion and posting from Jammu Frontier BSF. Mr. Hardeep Singh is a highly professional BSF cadre officer of 1986 batch and a well-decorated officer, having served in various BSF headquarters and units in various capacities, including the prestigious Training Institute BSF Academy, Tikkanpur. On taking over the charge, he emphasized on the cooperation of all concerned stakeholders for an effective border management in the state. He also expressed his concern on maintaining cordial relations with the border population, which is the first step towards having peaceful and crime-free border. He said that the main task of BSF is to create a sense of security among the border population, and this will remain his first priority as Inspector General of Meghalaya Frontier.